Welcome back. Today I'm going to do, I've already prepped my canvas. Today I'm doing something that's Valentine color inspired with multiple reds and golds and white. Today I'm just going to hope that this comes out the way that I planned. My last two paintings did not, but I had to redo them and they still turned out pretty darn good, if I do say so myself. I wasn't as disappointed as I thought it would be when it didn't work out. So, how is everyone doing today? My day today has been very quiet. It's been relaxing. I went for a walk to take in the warm weather for today. It's so nice out. The mountains are just as clear and visible as possible. You can see some of the mountains have a little bit of snow on top. And my whole thing is stay on the mountains, please. Do not come down. With living on the East Coast, living in Cleveland, Ohio all my life, that's all I had to deal with was snow. Snow, 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 snow. Snow is pretty on Christmas. It is pretty to look at for one day, and because our snow back on the East Coast, back in Ohio where I come from, man, it wasn't pretty when you couldn't get out your front door because of all the snow that was all the way up to the doorknob. That wasn't fun. Let me show you the colors that I'm using today. Today I'm using one metallic paint by Folkart, which is bright red. Here it is right here. That's pretty bright. Very pretty too. The rest, with the exception of the little bit of white that I'm going to use and the black background, the rest are my favorite Arteza paints. It's Arteza Scarlet Red, which is right here. This beautiful scarlet red. Which I think needs a little bit more water. And I think it's Cochineal Red by Arteza, which is another really pretty color red. And then, move this out the way. Then we have the Vermillion Red by Arteza, which is right here. I think I showed you the Scarlet Red. If I didn't, I apologize. I'm showing it twice, which is also by Arteza. And I have Arteza Gold, which is, oh my God, so stunning. That's gonna look really good on this black background. And lastly, Pearl Copper Gold by, Arteza, which is right there. Okay, so the plan is to blow this out with my hair dryer and get some pretty, what I didn't plan on how I'm going to lay these out. So let's figure it out. I think I'm going to go this way. I want to have some negative space if possible. We'll see. Okay, what I'm doing here now is I'm just blowing out the colors that I laid down on the canvas. And just like I thought, the red looks really good up against that black. I have to say I'm very pleased with the way this turned out at the end, which I will definitely show you a close-up, and the finished and varnished painting at the end of this video. But before I sneak off and let you finish watching this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up if you don't mind, and hit the notification bell so that you know when I'm uploading something new, which is pretty often. So I'm going to disappear right quick. I'll be back in a few. Okay, here we go. I'm done. What you see me doing is just touching up some little areas where I could see the exposed canvas. Just dabbing a little here and there. I think it turned out pretty good. What do you think? I love to hear your thoughts on this painting here. Leave me your thoughts in the comment at the end of the video. I love to hear from you. But here's a little mini close-up. Those colors are stunning against this black. Wait till you see it once it's been varnished. So I'm going to show you some more close-ups now. There you go. Look at that. It's so pretty. I had to do some more touch-ups that I noticed off camera, but I didn't do anything else to the overall picture. But I did have to but I did have to touch up. Okay, well, here it is, all completed, all varnished, and ready for purchase. This will be on my website. I will list that also in the description. But thank you for spending time watching this video. I appreciate your time. I look forward to making more videos. Please like, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I'm uploading. Don't want you to miss anything. Thank you so much for your time. I look forward to chatting some more very soon. Bye-bye.